the bowl. The onion and the ginger, they take control. We crumble in the Danish cheese, that salty, sharp delight. 1 egg and fresh coriander, we mix with all our might. The red, green, yellow peppers, the colors bright and keen. We slice them into halves now, the freshest we have seen. We push the beef inside them to fill each empty space, to make a perfect vessel in this delicious race. A spray of roast oil coating, a final crumb on top. Into the air fryer basket, the magic doesn't stop. 10 minutes at the warming heat, the flavors start to bloom. The cheese begins to bubble, escaping from the room. The perfect dish is ready, so golden and so crisp. We plate the final offering upon a savory